Welcome back. Dr. Rajendra Bhandarkar, surgeon in charge of the Joint Replacement Unit of Kannada Lingayat Education Society's Hospital and Medical Research Centre, Belgaum, was down in Goa to promote the joint replacement facility of their hospital.
Interacting with media persons yesterday, he gave a presentation of the joint replacement and also the advances made in this field of medicine. Arthritis sets in when the cartilage between two bones in a joint gets worn out. This could be due to various factors including accident and alcohol abuse, but the most common one is due to advanced age. As the bones begin rubbing against each other due to absence of the cartilage, everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs and even sitting in the toilet becomes excruciatingly painful. By replacing the joint, patients get immediate relief and their quality of life improves as everyday activities can now be carried out with relative ease. In a knee joint replacement, a metallic cover is put over the thigh bone or femur and on the shin bone. These are adhered to the bone with bone cement. A special plastic cover is put between the two and a cap is also prepared of the same plastic. And once all the components are aligned properly, you get practically a new joint which moves with ease without any friction. Advances in joint replacement has made the hip replacement procedure easier, as instead of the previous procedures where the entire ball of the joint was replaced, now only the worn out part of the ball is removed. Dr. Bhandekar disclosed that patients have a very short stay in the hospital for this procedure, which may be 8 to 10 days, during which period they are rehabilitated through physiotherapy. Dr. Bhandekar disclosed that they have replaced over 400 joints with excellent results and hoped his center could be a hub of medical tourism. He said that 30% of the replacement done at KLE were on Goan patients. Dr. Bhandekar clarified that joint replacement is not the first option in treating arthritis.
Start with simple medicines, give them the physiotherapy or exercises. Then they may need some walking aids. They need a crutch or a cane. They may be given good supporting shoes. Those kind of things will help most of the patients. And when all these things are not effective, then the surgery is considered as another option.
The Goan Carnival is quite well known the world over and attracts a lot of tourists every year. However, this year, to make it more interesting, Samba dancers will be participating for the first time.
What we would like to announce today is a partnership that the Consulate of Brazil is having with Goa Tourism on Goa Carnival 2008.
Goa Tourism Development Corporation Limited has tied up with the Consulate of Brazil to add glitter and glamour to the Goan Carnival, as around 40 Brazilians living in Mumbai and Goa will put up floats of the Samba dancers. This was announced by Consul General of Brazil, Paulo Antonio Pinto.
Of course, when we speak about Carnival, we already found out that there are a lot of things in common. So the idea was to come here and try to celebrate Carnival together with you.
Mr. Paulo assured that the Samba dancers, noted for their scanty clothes, will be decently attired in Goa.
And the fact that people will dance on the ground. But of course, this is all be according to the norms of the dressing code. Don't worry about that. We will do, it's not because sometimes people misunderstand. That's why we're saying it's a Brazilian participation in the Goa Carnival.
Deputy Consul General of Brazil, Jandira Pacheco, described the floats that would participate at the Goan Carnival.
We have two floats. First of all, the motto of our participation is past, common heritage and cooperation for the future. And I think that really explains most of what our concept is, meaning that we would like to enhance our common heritage, our common Portuguese heritage. Main float, which portrays Caravela, which would symbolize the discovery of Brazil. The theme of our float and our participation is the discovery of Brazil.
That's all we have for you today. Before we end, here is a reminder of the headlines. Journalist Gherao Police allege political protection to killer of photojournalist Sushant. Donapal residents determined to oppose IT habitat. We'll be back tomorrow with more news and analysis for you. Until then, it's goodbye and good night.